What is up, you guys? It's Nay Rose here, and I'm back with another video, and I'm back with some hairstyles for you guys. Okay, I know you guys love when I bring you some hairstyles, so I got some up my sleeve today. Okay, I got some for you. So these are like just hairstyles that you can do on an old twist out, on a new twist out, really, just whenever you really feel like it. Okay, really quick, really easy. Like, the video is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm gonna just let it play. If you guys want me to go into detail on any specific hairstyle, let me know in the comments, and I can make, you know, other videos showing you guys exactly how I do it, what I use. So before we even get started, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because if you're not, then I mean, what you doing? Like, really, like, what you doing? What are you doing with your life? I don't understand. Like, how could you not be a part of the Lit fam? Y'all, if you haven't had these, you sleep. You're really missing out on some greatness, okay? Okay, so let's just go ahead and get into these looks. Okay? Get into these looks. Oh, wow, I'm so annoying. Okay, really, let's get into it.